Watch this first.
Hey, turn up, okay?
What are your superpowers again?
I'm rich.
Hey, turn up, okay?
What are your superpowers again?
I'm rich.
In my last video, I show you how to create trending Spider-Man edit. Today is another important episode of Edit. In this tutorial, I will show how to create smooth head tracking. Head tracking is the crucial point of any edits, which makes more attractive your edit. So let's do it without wasting time. Let's go to the tutorial.
Don't understand that my day is broken up into segments. I work out, I eat.